What up, y'all? Welcome back to the 50 state series where I'm going to each state to try their most iconic food. And today we are going to North Dakota. But first, last episode I had Chislic, which is basically little steak nuggets here at Lone Pine Bar and Grill in Watertown, South Dakota. And like I said, they taste like steak nuggets. They do some different stuff to them, I believe. But if you like good steak and you like chicken nuggets, you're gonna love Chislic. And I did not expect to do this. I got the list here, I put it somewhere, gave it some thought. It was hard, I got a hard job, this is hard. I put South Dakota Chislic at number 7 on our list. Respectable spot. So like I said, like the iconicness, I didn't know about it, but people here know about it. Everyone who I heard order something, ordered Chislic. And I get so passionate, I don't know why I'm yelling about it. I'm just trying to defend myself. If you're upset with me in these rankings, you have good reason to. I'm not a food guy. My palate is all messed up. But also, come and try it and then tell me I'm wrong. Anyways, I'm gonna stop yelling at you guys. I'm sorry. We gotta drive to North Dakota. Quite the hike. We're gonna get to Fargo, North Dakota, and then stay the night there. This will be an overnight episode. Then we'll eat in North Dakota tomorrow. So we got to stop in Sisseton, South Dakota, about 50 minutes away. We'll get there with 37%. We have 68%. Let's go ahead and hit the road. North Dakota, here we come. We made it to what might actually be the middle of nowhere, Sisseton, South Dakota. Sisseton sounds like me on that tattoo chair the other day. Don't gotta be here long, but the weather's nice. The boys can walk a little bit. Still a bit windy, but it's all right. Don't trust that camera stand though, so first person point of view. Stay boys, put your leashes on. Also, that's becoming urgent. I can't even film through the bugs there anymore. We gotta wipe that off. And luckily we can do that right there, I hope. Actually, whatever it is might be like closed or abandoned. There's nothing there and there's nobody parked except us way back there. That's how far it is. I think he's fine. There's my watch reflection, getting him to chase it. He loves doing this. It says we'll get to Fargo with about 31%. We have 74. That's plenty. I'm gonna go unplug so we can hit the road. Yeah, I gotta clean our windshield too, so I'm gonna stop there really quick to get that windshield wiper stuff and do that. Here's a before. I can't show you me doing it 'cause it's so windy. And here's after. We're in business, except for that. But that's okay. Let's go. So I stopped in Fargo before our hotel to charge for tonight. So 1, we don't gotta charge early in the morning tomorrow. And 2, I can let them out for a bit because the sun is still setting. It's 9:21 and the sun's still kinda out. That's pretty cool. Also, something's going on tonight in Fargo, North Dakota, because almost every hotel is sold out, but we got what hopefully isn't a sketchy one, but we'll have to see tonight. There he is, there's my boy. All right, stop digging though. Oh, what's that? Hey, relax. It's just a sign, it's okay. He saw a rabbit go in that little tube. Now he's ready to go. Brody, you scared of the rabbit? Are you scared of the rabbit? Are you hiding by Papa? Nice. Oh boy. All right, all right, boys. All right. Oh, Brody, Brody got tackled. Yeah, Raider's good. All right, boys are good. I'm just running here for a minute, use the restroom, and see what they got. It's the Casey's. I know they got good pizza, but I don't want pizza. I don't feel great about what happened in there. Donuts have done well on this trip so far with the unofficial lovers and then New Hampshire, of course. I saw these protein donuts. This is a snack for tonight. I don't have high expectations, but like, I gotta try it. And we're in North Dakota, but the board will have to wait for tomorrow. It's getting dark now. But we're ready to go. 75%, plenty enough for tomorrow. Let's skip to the hotel, check in, and get ready for bed. It's got a weird smell, not too bad. Not as bad as when we were early on in Missouri. That one smelled worse. This one is tolerable. It'll do. Nothing, hopefully a little air freshener on the fan can't fix. Boy. It's the claw! It's the claw! It's the claw! Brody? How you doing over there? What's he doing? You crazy boy! Ow! Would you guys believe me if I told you that I didn't even really like running? Getting up at 7 a.m. and tying my shoes and going out for like an hour or two and running, I'd rather sleep in. But we get it done anyways, a little over 13 miles this morning. But anyways, we gotta eat in North Dakota. We got a bit of a drive ahead of us. We're gonna stop at a supercharger in Jamestown in about an hour and 15 minutes, get there with 23%. We have 67% right now. And also on the way, I forgot I had this Sheetz coffee, this caramel coffee. I remember I got the cinnamon one. I didn't really like that much. Probably should have started with caramel. Quick little taste test. Yeah, I'm a caramel coffee guy. That's much better than the cinnamon one. That works. That'll do. This will be a good ride. Let's go ahead and hit the road. Here in Jamestown, North Dakota with 26% in the parking lot of a mall and a store called Runnings, but unfortunately, I don't think it's a running store. Let's go plug in. Boys are tired, I already know, but we'll get them out for a little bit, at least get some water or something. Brody, you were getting better at being patient, and now you're not. Now you're not. So, not a running store. They did have a sports section, but it was all shooting and hunting gear in their sports section. I mean, we are in North Dakota, and we should have plenty of battery. I'm gonna unplug and then we'll see what we got to hit the road. We'll get to where we're going to eat in an hour and a half with 29%. So with that, let's go ahead and hit the road. There you go, Raider. Make friends. Raider. Stop barking so much, boy. I can definitely use a wash. That looks so much better already. All the attention, Raider. There you go. Now you're quiet. Here, let's go. We'll back up in front of the car. What school are you guys from? Jamestown.
Oh yeah, we're the sophisticates. Yeah, we're the sophisticates dance team.
How about you guys just say all that, okay? Okay? I'm with the Jamestown High School dance team who generously just washed my car. What's the name of your team?
Sophisticates.
There you go. And they're gonna help me put North Dakota on the board. So you guys can take this here. Who wants to put it on? Go ahead, grab that there. Once you put it on, you gotta say North Dakota on the board.
North Dakota. I don't know what I'm doing.
North Dakota on the board. State number 42. Thank you guys. The car looks great. The car looks great. You guys are awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. All right, boys. How'd you like that one, boys? You got the crazy out of you? Raider, where you at? Raider. Well, that was fun. Car is super clean now, which is great. I can see out the windshield. The bugs are just insane out here. Very nice, very cool. let's continue on to Bismarck, North Dakota. That's where we're going, Bismarck. Good afternoon. We are in Bismarck, North Dakota at a place called Kroll's Diner, here to try North Dakota's iconic food, Nefla soup. If you've never heard of it, don't worry, me neither, but the Dakota's got some secret food up here that's been pretty good so far. Kroll's Diner is a Bismarck staple that's been serving German-American comfort food since the 1960s and is known for its Nefla soup. Nefla seems to be creamy potato soup, soft dumplings, butter, cream, and enough comfort to get you through a North Dakota winter. And this is from my research, but the high school dance team earlier actually confirmed all of this, by the way, so this is all true. Wasn't sure what to expect when I saw the word soup, but that sounds like a great time. Let's go in and get it. All right, the Nefla soup came pretty quick. It's got a fantastic dumpling to soup ratio. It's not winning any beauty contests, but I'll tell you what, it smells delicious. I did top it off with a few crackers. It does have white shirt running potential because it is soup, a bit runny, so we'll be careful. Thank you. Also got an omelet, it's freaking huge. Not part of the rating, but we got a long drive, we gotta eat today, but Nefla soup first. North Dakota. There we go. Kroll's Diner. Cheers. Those potatoes or dumplings are so soft. When I thought soup, I was thinking like thin chicken noodle, thick, creamy, buttery, soft potatoes. This is, I mean, technically soup, but it's doing some work right now. It's very buttery, like in a great way. The Dakotas gotta start sharing this stuff with the rest of us. I could drink this liquid in here. I could drink this straight up. I don't plan to come back here in the winter. I know it gets cold and snowy up here, but if I was here in the winter, this would be fantastic. Don't wanna know the carbs in this. I don't think there's any meat. It's just potatoes and butter, but it is fantastic. Again, technically soup, I guess, but not what I expected before I did research. After research, I knew what to expect, but before research, soup, didn't know. Just a few dumplings left. Gonna finish this up, do what I can with the skillet, and then we'll let you guys know what we think. Brody, what's up, Brody boy? You licking my ear? You licking Papa's ear? Get in camera, boys. My bad, Rita, I didn't include you. There's my boys. You good now? You done barking at people trying to be your friend? You can't make friends like that, you know? Anyways, the Dakotas got some secrets they're keeping from us because between the Chislik and this Nefla soup, am I being naive? Did I just not know? People here know. I was here. I told them I'm doing this trip, trying what each state's known for, and she's like, oh, Nefla soup. So like, it's a thing here. I just don't know. But the best way to describe what I just had by far is thick, creamy, buttery, and potatoey. And if that all sounds good, you'd be a big fan of Nefla soup. Nefla. No, it looks like it's pronounced Nofla, but it's Nefla. I was told that by the dance team as well. But you guys know, we gotta rank it. I'm gonna pull up this list. The longer it gets, the harder my job is. And I'll think about it for a minute. And then the skillet, I keep calling it omelet. The skillet was great, by the way. I just housed that thing. I got a full belly for our long drive ahead, but you'll see that tomorrow. And you'll also see where I put the Nefla soup tomorrow because I gotta think about it for a minute. Thanks for watching us in North Dakota. See you guys tomorrow.